Chapter 16 continued. Bukhweni, at his in-laws, wafika wathetha noMenzile. Tolibhadi, this is now the young husband, went and spoke to Menzile. Umenzile yena wathi, Menzile said, uyamkhulula, that he would release Liziwe. In other words, she had gone back home under the pretext that she'd been ill-treated, and he would have had every right to keep her there and dissolve the marriage had she been honest. But he said no, that he would allow Liziwe to go. Kuba yena, because he, Menzile, wayengasiboni isizathu, could not see the reason sokumka kukaliziwe emzini wakhe, could not see the reason why Liziwe had left her home, her married home. Ngalo lonke elo xesha, and all that time while uMenzile wayethetha, was speaking, unojaji wayejwaqeka ngumsindo. She was wild, incandescent with rage. Wahamba ke uTolibhadi, and so Tolibhadi went off kulondlu, to that house, yayi nomkakhe, where his wife was. Wafika kulondlu, he arrived at that house, kuqhuma qhu, and which was to find it full of smoke. Kuba uLiziwe wayingedle. Liziwe was a heavy smoker. Liziwe yena akazange afune nokubamba isandla somyeni wakhe. Liziwe did not even want to greet her husband or to shake her husband's hand, ngenxa yomsindo, because of her umsindo, because of her rage. Akugqiba ukubuza impilo, after he had finished asking Emfazini, his wife, about her impilo, her health, Tolibhadi said, Ndiphutume wena mfazi, I have come to fetch you, wife. Uphutume mna? Come to fetch me? Ewe nolasti. Yes, nolasti. uLiziwe wathi, Liziwe said, akanakubuyela, said that she could not return kulo Tolibhadi, to Tolibhadi's home. Wachaza indlela, she described the way awayephethwe kakubi ngayo. She described the way in which she had been ill-treated nguNomacwili, by Nomacwili, exoka, lying. Wathi usetyenziswa okwekhoboka. She said that she was made to work okwekhoboka, like a slave, whereas the other young ladies, amadodakazi, other wives, ayengasebenzi, did not work at all. uTolibhadi wazikholelwa, he believed zonke ezo zinto, all of those things, zazithethwa nguLiziwe, which were said by Liziwe. Wamcenga, and he begged her ukuba axole, to forgive or to calm down. uLiziwe yena wathi, Liziwe said, akanakugoduka, that she could not go home, ngaphandle kokuba, unless Besides, or unless would be a better translation, uTolibhadi wayenokuya naye eGauteng, unless she could go with Tolibhadi to Johannesburg. Wathi wayendele kuye. She said that she was married to him. Wayengendelanga kuNomacwili, and was not married to Nomacwili. Enda, incidentally, is the term used to marry which applying to a woman. Chata applying to when two people marry. Enda is when the girl or lady enters into marriage. Ekugqibeleni, a word we've had many times. Eventually, wa ncama uTolibhadi. Tolibhadi gave in. He relented. Wathi, and he said, mabagoduke, that they should go home. Kuba uyakuthetha nonina, because he was going to speak with his mother. Amngxolise, and take her to task and scold her. Bazeke emva koko, and then after that, bahambe kunye, baye eGauteng, and after that they would leave kunye together, baye, and go eGauteng to Johannesburg. Wagoduka ke uTolibhadi ehamba nomkakhe. And so Tolibhadi went home ehamba nomkakhe, accompanied by his wife. Bakufika kowabo, and when they arrived kowabo, at their home, this is now where Nomacwili was, uTolibhadi waya ngqo kunina. Tolibhadi went straight to his mother. Wambizela ngawo onke amagama unina, and he called unina, his mother, ngawo onke amagama, by every conceivable name. Emxelela, telling her ukuba that usisikhohlakali esigqibileyo, that she was evil through and through. Lo mfana, this young man today, namhlanje, had forgotten. Wayelibele tu, had completely forgotten. Ukuba lo mntu, that this person, wayemthuka, whom he was swearing at or insulting, nguye, was the very person, owamthwala, who had carried him, borne him for inyanga ezisithoba, for 9 months, wamzala, and had given birth to him, and had looked after him. Wada wadibana nalo mfazana wayeyintombi kaMenzile, until he had met this mfazana, young lady, wayeyintombi, who was the daughter of Menzile. Nomacwili yena akazange aphendule. Menzile, I beg your pardon. Nomacwili did not reply. Kuloko instead wathetha bulila. Lila is to cry, but tearfully said, hamba nomfazi wakho, go with your wife, mntana wam, my child. Inga inkosi, and may God ayinge nipati, and may God not treat you ngohlobo, in the way enindiphethe ngalo nina, in the way you have treated me. That then is the end of chapter 16. Enkosi kakhulu. bafundi.